Hello everyone. Today we will start a new course, First Order Differential Equation, which has many applications in engineering as well as science. So our output is to learn first order differential equations, how they form, how we have to solve the first order differential equations. This course we divided into three parts, or we are going to cover in 3 weeks. Week first, the starting the formation of a differential equation and variable separable method, homogeneous and non-homogeneous equation, it will be all will be covered, and it will be handled by Professor SM Sonawane. In week 2, exact and non-exact differential equations will be handled by Professor NS Abare sir. And the third one, whatever we have learned in week 1 and week 2, we have to evaluate by using the applications, and that part is handled by Professor SS Pawar sir. So let us start our first order differential equation. The first order differential equation, week 1 we are going to start now. And in week 1, what we are going to do, that we have to see now. In the first week, the first order differential equation one part we will start, and this week we divided into 6 lectures. So in the first lecture we will do the introduction, means this lecture, the ongoing lecture, we are going to do the introduction, then order and degree of a differential equation, and the third one, formation of a differential equation. In the lecture 2, the variable separable form, and we understand that concept with examples. In the third lecture, homogeneous differential equation, we have to understand. In the fourth lecture, non-homogeneous differential equation, we are going to understand with example. In the fifth lecture, first order linear differential equation, we will handle and we will solve that first order differential equation. And in the sixth lecture, whatever we did in from the first to fifth lecture, that all we revise and we will solve one test based on that. So what is the structure and for this course? After every lecture we will share one PDF to you. Whatever given in the lecture slides, that PDF will be shared to you so that you get your study material. And in the sixth lecture you have to give test for 10 questions, and it is for 30 minutes. Now let us start actual concept, differential equations. To understand this course, what we required? We required at least some basic knowledge of differential equation and derivative at least, and integration. Little bit integration we must know, and derivative we must know. So let us start the differential equation. An equation containing derivative is called a differential equation. कोणतंही इक्वेशन घ्या, त्याच्यामध्ये डेरिव्हेटिव्ह येत असेल तर त्या इक्वेशनला आपण डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन म्हणतो. सो an equation containing derivative is called differential equation. Now this differential equation is divided into two parts. The first one is ordinary differential equation, in short we called it as ODE, and second one is partial differential equation, in short we called it as PDE. So ordinary differential equation means what? A differential equation means an equation which contains derivative. A differential equation which contains only one independent variable A differential equation which contains only one independent variable and one or more dependent variables called ordinary differential equation. Only one independent variables and one or more dependent variables. Now what is meant by independent variable and dependent variable? If I write y is equal to f of x, if I write y equal to f of x, then this x is independent variable. X is independent and y is depend on x, so it is dependent. See here, x is independent, y is depend on it. So here ordinary differential equation means x is only one single, and y, instead of y you may take u, v, w, but all are functions of x. As soon as x changes, y changes, u changes, v changes, like that. So here only one independent variable and one or more dependent variables. Means I get only dy by dx. I get dy by dx, du by dx, like that. So such equations we called partial differential equations. Ordinary differential equations. Now the second part is partial differential equations. A differential equation which contains more than one independent variables or one or more dependent variable called partial differential equations. Now let me tell you this. One independent variable, we get ordinary differential equation. More than one independent variables, we get partial differential equations. Let us clear it. Suppose I have u is function of x and y, just like sin xy, and v is equal to cos xy. Clearly, so here x and y, two variables, here x and y, two variables. So x and y are independent variables. So I can write u, v, both are functions of x and y. So you can see two independent variables and two dependent variables. So when such a case occurs, we write dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y. Similar way, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. So here we have to find partial derivative, and our differential equation contains partial derivative. So we call that equation as a partial differential equation. Understood? Okay, now let us turn towards the next part. Next and very important concept is order of a differential equation. On this concept, we have to have a next part, formation of a differential equation. So order of a differential equation. What is meant by order of a differential equation? An order of a differential equation is the highest order derivative occur in it. Highest order derivative occur in it. Means if I have dy by dx plus y is equal to sin x, then this is our differential equation because derivative occur in it. Equation means equality sign. So here this dy by dx, it is the first order derivative. So order of this differential equation is 1, first order. If I write here d square y by dx square plus y dy by dx bracket square is equal to 1, then this is also a differential equation, but here second order comes. Second means degree 2, but d square by dx square, second order. So this order of a differential equation is 2. Clearly. So here what is the definition? An order of a differential equation is the highest order derivative occur in it. त्याच्यामध्ये किती हायेस्ट ऑर्डरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह येतोय, दॅट इज नथिंग बट ऑर्डर ऑफ अ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट वन इज अ डिग्री ऑफ अ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. A degree of a differential equation is the power of highest derivative in the differential equation. Degree of a differential equation is the degree of highest order derivative, or you may say power of highest order derivative. Suppose I have this d cube y by dx cube its square plus dy by dx its square cube is equal to 1. Now here you have to see that which is the highest order derivative occur in your equation. Here d cube y by dx cube its square, highest order derivative is d cube y by dx cube. So order of this differential equation is 3. Order of differential equation is 3. What about degree? Whatever your highest order derivative, जो तुमचा highest order derivative आहे, see its power. Here this is your highest order derivative, its power is 2. Therefore degree of this differential equation is 2. Understood? Though here dy by dx has degree 3, but your highest order derivative is d cube y by dx cube. See its power. If its power is 1, then we can say degree is 1. If its power is 2, then we can say degree is 2, like that. Okay. Now let us take some examples so that we will get a clear concept of order and degree of a differential equation. So here find the order and degree of a differential equation. Differential equation is given here. X d square y by dx square plus x d square dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Just a slight confusion there. I just write that differential equation.